Okay, we got some collagen dog chews from Legit Pet. They sent these to us so we could show them to you. How do they smell?
I like the smell of them. I think she will like the smell. You know, they have really good ingredients in them.
Well, yeah, I'll tell you, they've got collagen, eggshell membrane, cod liver oil, flaxseed oil, vitamin C, beef, rice bran, chicken liver, sweet potato, a bunch of other good stuff. But no soy, no gluten, no grains, stuff like that. So the way that it works is that founder, he wanted to create treats that were high quality, but also they contributed to our pets' happiness and our health. And that's important because, of course, our babies, they deserve the best, right?
She really wants something.
Right.
Okay, come on, sit pretty.
She's drooling.
Sit pretty.
She's drooling.
On, sit pretty.
Good girl.
She just had a drink of water.
Well, she's also drooling.
Yeah.
And it's also called slobber.
Like that?
Slobber. For her size, she can have 3 chews per day. It depends on your dog's size.
Yeah.
But it's really good for a shiny, beautiful coat and joint health and skin health and all the good stuff. Thank you for sending that. Did you like that stuff?
Well,
She's
of course
like,
she did.
Yeah.
Give me more.
Yeah, more. Thank you.